Responses to disaster in Nepal rarely consider the deep-seated social problems and prejudices towards those most vulnerable. So after countless people were killed or made homeless by earthquakes in 2015, we designed an innovative program which used this humanitarian response as a catalyst for far-reaching change. The 5-year project Purnima was funded by DFID, now FCDO, but with only a small budget to tackle problems of an immense scale. The original design would just rebuild a small part of what was destroyed. Instead, we capitalized on opportunities brought in by the new constitution and worked with newly elected local bodies who were enthusiastic but lacked capacity. Our design addressed underlying problems and fostered resilience against future disasters, including COVID and climate change.
यो भूकम्प पश्चात जुन विपन्न वर्गका प्रभावितहरू हुनुहुन्छ डाटा कलेक्सन गरेर पालिकाले उहाँले उपलब्ध गराउनु भएको छ। यसले गर्दा पनि हामीलाई बजेट उपलब्ध गराउन धेरै सजिलो भएको छ।
We focused on 5 groups: people with disability, elderly people, single women, the extreme poor, and people internally displaced by earthquake. And following a census and consultation with the Palika, we identified those in greatest need. Most were dependent on unreliable subsistence agriculture and casual labor, so we needed to transform and not just restore their livelihoods.
पहिले थाहै छैन के हो त्यो बलुवा गिटी बोकेर धेरै गाह्रो भयो। अनि गलन्जा बुन्न थालेपछि घरमै बोकेर लानेर बसेर बुनेर धेरै फाइदा भयो। त्यही नि अनि ल्याउ भन्नु पर्दैन। अब गलन्जा भ्यायो भने ठ्याप्ठ्याप पैसा दिनुभयो उहाँहरूले। त्यही भएर हामीलाई घर चलाउन धेरै सजिलो भयो।
We linked our interventions in a systematic way, strengthening municipalities, organizing farmers into groups and cooperatives, facilitating new policies and procedures so that the groups could be legalized, influencing banks and other financial institutions to lend to small farmers group, involving the Chamber of Commerce to connect farmers and small entrepreneurs and helping them to access technical support and market advice.
सबै कुरालाई बुझेर त्यहाँ पालिका र वडाबाट छानेर आएका जुन जोखिमपूर्ण व्यक्तिहरूलाई नै हामीले ऋण प्रवाह गरेर चाहिँ एकदम उहाँको व्यवसायको लागि चाहिँ वृद्धि गर्नको लागि चाहिँ हामीले सहयोग पुगोस् भनेर चाहिँ यो संस्थाबाट सहकारी संस्थाबाट चाहिँ गरिरहेको छौं।